Today I'm going to be showing how to hopefully resolve the blue screen of death associated with the WHEA underscore uncontrollable error alert in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward fix, and the same fix applies to a lot of different errors, so you might see this a lot on my channel, but this is a very common issue that produces a lot of error alerts, as I'm sure many people who watch many of my videos seem to realize. But nonetheless, I do like to make a brief tutorial highlighting for this specific error for people who are looking for this. So anyway, we are going to head over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in Device Manager. Should be listed directly above Control Panel, and it should be the best match on our search results. So you want to left click on that. You want to left click on the little arrow next to display adapters on the left side, and whatever display adapter is listed here, you want to right click on it and then proceed to left click on Update Driver Software. And then when you're asked to how do you want to search for the driver software, select Search Automatically for Updated Driver Software, should be the first option. So it'll begin the scan online automatically, and then it'll say the best driver for your software is already installed. Now please keep in mind, if you're still experiencing this issue, you can manually go online to see if there's new driver updates for your driver, and then instead of clicking on automatic, you would just select Browse My Computer for driver software. I have made a video tutorial showing how to do this, so you're more than welcome to check that out. I probably will have a card in the video, which is basically a new replacement for the annotations that should be coming up right on the screen. So I hope this brief tutorial, and then at that point you just follow along with the instructions of that tutorial, and hopefully you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.